Hello everyone. So today we will be discussing about the flow of data in React. So the data moves very differently with in React. It's basically moves in a unidirectional data flow that the data flows from the parent component to the child component. So here it is parent component, all right, and here is the child component. So data always moves from parents toward child component, right? And the data always lives in the parent component, all right. Even though the data lives in the parent component, both the parents and the child components can use that data. For the parent component can use that data as well, and the child component can use that data as well. However, if the data must be updated, then only the parent component should perform the update. So this is a very important points to remember, that only the parent component should perform the update. If the child components needs to make a change to the data, then it would send the update, right? So, so if the child components needs to make a change to the data, then it would send the updates to the parent component, where the change will actually be made in parent component. And once the change is made in the parent component, the child component will be passed the data, all right. Now this might seem like an extra work, but having the data flow in one direction and having one place where the data is modified makes it much easier to understand how the application works, all right. So the main points of the whole video is that data flows in only one direction, from parent to child. And if data is shared between sibling child components, then that data should be stored in the parents component and passed to both of the child components. For example, if here is another child component, right, then if this data is shared between siblings, all right, then this data should be stored in the parent component, and from parent it should be passed to both childs, all right. Do let me know if you have any question about this simple flow of the data in React. Thank you.